We're gonna fry up a hot dog in a Dash Mini Griddle.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I have the mini griddle heating up right now. And this is the hot dog and this is the griddle. And as you can see, the hot dog is too big for the griddle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this hot dog in half. We're also going to cut each half in half lengthwise. So we've basically cut the hot dog into quarters. And we're now going to put these on our mini griddle. Close the top, and we're going to let them cook for a minute or two. Now, obviously, if you were making breakfast sausage, they are smaller and you would not have to cut those up because they would fit very nicely in this mini griddle. So it's been about a minute. Flip them over. I like my hot dogs nice and brown. So now if you want to eat this hot dog in a regular hot dog bun, obviously all you need to do is put the pieces together so they, fit the bun. You can reassemble the hot dog. And if you don't, they're really great to eat on a piece of bread or toast also. It fits really nicely on bread or toast. Okay, it's been another minute or so. They're starting to curl up. Starting to get nicely brown on the bottom. I think they're done. For me, this is nicely done. I'm just going to flip them over one more time. I probably flipped them over too soon to begin with. But yeah. It's been about 30 seconds more and I think that looks good. So I'm going to unplug this griddle. There's no on or off switch, so I just need to unplug it. And I'm going to take these off. And hot dogs are great with mustard. I've added a little bit of mustard to the plate. They can be enjoyed as they are, or they can be put in a bun or on some bread or some toast. And also, if you have the mini hot dogs, like the cocktail franks, those would work great in this mini griddle because they would fit better. Also, you wouldn't have to cut those up. So that is how you can fry up a hot dog in a Dash Mini Griddle.